초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, another sexy lingerie tong panty ang ating i-haul review for today. So without further ado, atin ang simulan natin. So let's begin. So this is my new collection for today. Wow, look at this. Oh wow. Woo! So nice. Look at this, so beautiful. So this is a sexy see-through tong panty. Lace po ang kanyang material, very see-through at ang ganda ng pagkabuo. Maganda rin yung yung material niya, madulas. At yung garter niya, firm ang pagka-stress. So, okay po ito. Ayan. Nice po. So, tingnan natin yung kanyang quality sa tahi. Look at this. So, nice. Nice naman po ang kanyang sewing. Okay. Very nice. 2 thumbs up. Look at this. Wow. At this is 90% polyamide and 10% elastane. So, hand wash lang po ang pwede dito. Do not clean dry. Dry clean. So, this is atong panty. Look at this crotch. Oh my. Napakaliit na lang po nito. May matatakpan pa ba rito? Ambot sa langaw. Ay, naku. So, this is atong panty. Look at this. Napakaliit. So, this is a tiny tong panty. This is a back view. And this is a front view. Napakaganda naman din ang kanyang style. Lalo sa color. This is a ginger color po ito. Ayan ginger yellow. Ito po. So nice. Napakaganda. The quality is good. The sewing is good. The garter is good. Lahat po siya maganda siya. So, talagang doon sa may mga almo, talagang hindi ko alam kung kaya nyo pang i-carry itong suotin. Look at this. But this is a very sexy lingerie panty. Sabagay, hindi naman ito ilalabas. Isusuot mo lang naman to sa loob. So, okay lang. So, overall po, kapag i-rate natin ito ng 1 to 10, this is 10. Very nice. Very beautiful lingerie. So, that is for today for our sexy see-through tiny lingerie tong panty. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.